We have a dream that the world will become better. We want more safety. We want to be more environmentally friendly. We want more convenience. We want to see the world. We want to embrace the future. YIZUMI makes the world more wonderful. We believe the company's horizons decided how far it could reach. The vision we walk alongside the world has been built since YIZUMI startup. Thanks to this great vision, we extended different business divisions, such as injection molding machine, die casting machine, rubber injection machine, high-speed packaging system, and robotic automation in the past 10 years. In China, we succeeded in ranking top 3 among injection molding machine manufacturers and top 2 among die casting machine manufacturers and rubber injection machine manufacturers. But we knew we did not go far enough. We had to take the whole world in view and do more for the world. In 2011, we purchased the intellectual property of HPM, which was a century-old U.S. company, and it was a milestone in the globalization process of YIZUMI. We set up technical service centers in the United States and India, as well as a sales network covering 60 countries around the world. YIZUMI has set up a production base in India and will set up a technical center in Germany in the near future.
We are going abroad to speak to the world on behalf of Chinese machinery industry, and we gain recognition from global clients and competitors on YIZUMI product, brand, and services.
We are backed up by an R&D team of 200+ professionals. We introduce IPD model to better cater to customer needs. We try to integrate advanced technology from the USA and Europe in order to build up our world-class R&D capability. We always insist on self-production of key parts and invest heavily in world-leading machining facilities. We build a specialized measuring and testing lab center to facilitate better precision control. We establish YFO service system and 70 service outlets, setting a new service standard for the industry. All our efforts have won the recognition of many well-known customers.
We 们最看重机器质量稳定、快出高效，说起来容易，能够做到的企业却不多，而YIZUMI能够很好的满足我们的需要。
为什么选择和YIZUMI合作？因为我感受到他们对品质有一种执着的追求。一个有追求的企业是不会令人失望的。
We have confidence in YIZUMI's technology, product quality, and service based on our 3 years of experience working with YIZUMI since 2013. We have witnessed their vitality in every single detail in machines that were supplied to TE Energy's new plant in Kunshan, China.
Where are we going tomorrow? We can't stop. Because we see an inspiring mission, become a world-class enterprise in our field, create new value-added experience for our global clients. We walk alongside the world.